did my undergrad from Nagpur, which is Shivaji Science College. It is affiliated to Nagpur University. And I did my master's from Indian Institute of Engineering, Science and Technology, which is in West Bengal, in Howrah. Engineering Leadership Program is an integration program for when you join ABG. It's not just for the people or the GTs in Hindalco, but for the GTs joining in pulp fiber or chemicals everywhere. So they all come together and we get to know each other. We get to know each other's businesses. So for the second phase, we were placed at different plant called Renukoot plant. We were given different types of exposures and we were taught how the plant is running. This phase gave us an overview of the total Hindalco and how it runs its business. And in the third phase, we were sent to our concerned locations, the Center for Bauxite Mines Division. This place was more manual. So you needed more man-to-man interaction here, and so here we had to learn everything about starting from bauxite deposit and from how to explore it, the exploration phase, the planning phase, the compliance phase, everything from top to the bottom when the mine closes and the reclamation is done. Personally, I was given the beneficiation project, which included enhancement of quality of bauxite. And also, we need a lot of permissions for, setting up this beneficiation plant at the mine's location. So, getting all those permissions and, setting up the plant, it is actually very challenging. And let me also tell you this, that I am not doing this alone. A lot of my colleagues and a lot of my managers are involved in this project. So we were responsible for the proper operation of all the mines there. So we had to keep a track of all the mines, for which we were required to go on the field. So out of the 6 working days, 4 working days we were on field and 2 working days we had to come here and we had to run and do the analytics of all the 4 days we were visiting the mines. So, and also being the first female geologist over here, someone being the first female going to the field and telling people what to do, people are not accustomed, the workers, they were not accustomed to, talking to a female or, getting orders from a female. They were not even comfortable enough to discuss what problems or what doubts they had during the period of time. So it was very challenging to make conversation alone with them. The very first thing which I learned from the ALP project is build your own brand. When you are in a business which runs in different areas, you cannot be master of one. You have to be master of all. You have to know the processes which are running in plant. In the plant, you have to know the processes which are running in the smelters and in different parts of the plants. Then in the mines, you have to know the processes running in all the mines, right from the exploration, right from the compliances, right from the permission to everything. So you cannot miss even one step in the entire chain. So that is one other thing which I learned. And the third thing which I learned from ELP is, bring out, always, you just have to do your best. You just have to bring out the best in you every day. So one being my manager, Mr. A. N. Barasu, we have actually established such a relationship where he is now comfortable with me. And why I look up to him is because he did not shy away from it. He just did not यू नो जैसे चल रहा है वैसे ही चलने दो, वैसा नहीं एटीट्यूड था. He also wanted to establish the same relationship with me, like with his other with my other peers. I've learned how to prioritize things, and he is very timely, so he makes sure that he divides each and everything and keeps each and everything properly. So that is one thing which I've learned from him. We randomly used to visit the mines. We used to audit the mines if the work is going fine, if the operations is fine, if they're facing any problems, if there are any issues which are to be addressed immediately. So all of these things we used to go there and we used to find out. So there in the mines there is no easy way of communicating with each other. We are actually investing a lot of time in working people about the COVID, and we are giving them the PPE kits, we are giving them the gloves, the masks, and whatever is required. A lot of sanitizers. We are sanitizing their trucks. We are sanitizing their the vehicles, and now with the monitoring part. So we are constantly being sent the photographs of the progress which are going in the mines. So yeah, we are finding new and innovative ways of coping up with the COVID situation.